These days, just about everybody has a barbecue in their backyard, which begs to ask the question, is anybody washing their barbecue pits? Come with me as we embark on a journey to find where these grills are and get them cleaned. Spread out all over this yard, I've got one here, over here. No, there's not one back here. I won't be using a pressure washer. I'm just going to use a 5-gallon bucket here with these rags that I picked up from yours and mine's favorite store, Walmart. And all I'm going to do is use some soap, detergent soap, and get this thing washed off. Try to get all this grease cut off of here, because man, that looks terrible. Ooh, it's hot. Want to make sure everything's shut. Let's just get the outside water down. All right, let's get some soap up here. Now, a little bit of tidbit information. If you're wondering where I got this grill and or it looks familiar to you, it's because one night when it was dark and it was raining, I went into Grill Sergeant's backyard and
Where is that smoker at?
took this out of his backyard without him knowing. And you know, honestly, I don't feel bad about it because if you saw his backyard, he has so many grills. I mean, what does it matter? He's not even gonna notice.
I could have sworn I had it right here. I think that Todd guy stole it. Where is it?
Some of this stuff's on here pretty good. Oh boy. I might have to get a brush. Let me see what happens if I get this brush. Don't do that. Gosh. Make sure you get the stack. How much would you pay for a service, a mobile service for guys to come out, or ladies, sorry, to come out and clean your barbecue pit? Invaluable. Invaluable? Invalid? Valuable. Worth it. Okay, time to wash off. Now, this is not something that you want to put a wax on. Don't do that. It's not a car. You could hang some tree scents inside if you wanted to, but it'll take away from the smoke flavor, like the pine, you know. Now, I'm a firm believer in if it's your stuff, the best person to take care of it is yourself. So, you know, keep up with your equipment, maintain it, and it'll love you. Now, is it as clean as it was the day she was born? No. Is it better? Yes. That's all that really matters. Or as the kids would say, on God. I don't even know what that means. Woo-wee. All right. One item you're going to want to pick up. Check out this mod. 1.25" ball valve. You're going to get this from the big box store. This is where the oil is going to be draining out. Now, if you don't have a crescent wrench big enough or a set of channel locks, good luck trying to put this on. And then what I did is I stole this bucket from my Pit Boss grill. And look at that. It hangs right on there nice and neat. And all you got to do is when you get ready to cook, just crack that ball valve handle that way and you're flowing. Okay, since I've had this for a couple months now, I've done some ribs and some chicken without any sort of temp gauges, just in the dark. And I've actually gotten fairly comfortable with how many splits I need to put on there to get the temperature at the right spot. I did pick up an S1, so in my next video I'll have the S1 on here. So don't forget to subscribe so that my next video you'll catch when you hit the notifications. It'll show up on your phone automatically. And remember, if the ladies don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. I'm Top of Lone Star Smoke. We'll see you next time.